My name is John McKenna. I'm CEO of a company called Seez AI. I've been involved in another business building autonomous drone systems. At that time, it was very much about flying swarms of drones for entertainment purposes, so shows in the sky. What I realized was, in fact, this sort of aviation capability allowed us to get a view on the world that was very valuable for large capital projects like infrastructure projects. And so Seez was born to see if we could build a scalable capability to digitize infrastructure. Over the years, we've got increasingly focused on flying drones on the electricity grid, and that information allows grid companies to plan the work they carry out, whether that's maintenance or new build or extension and upgrade of the grid. Ultimately, we're flying 15-kilogram systems alongside critical national infrastructure and alongside crewed helicopters and other users of the air. So it's a very highly regulated, very safety critical technology. But in future, there's a lot more work to do. In fact, we can do physical work on the grid, installing and removing sensors, maybe cutting vegetation, even stringing some of the lines as they build the grid. And then going beyond grid, we see extension into rail networks, oil and gas facilities, defense facilities, specialty chemicals, manufacturing, rail and road. And I would say the future in the 5 to 10 year period will be moving where we've built a new critical infrastructure which will enable autonomous robotics to control and maintain and manage infrastructure. So this capability will keep us all safe and look after our world while we sleep.